Greetings, greetings, greetings. Let me ask you a question. You realize, say, if you no realize, say you are one sinner, then Jesus can't save you? Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, where you wait for? Go and go do it now. Now just click the subscribe button and the notification bell too. To make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, me I go read from the good news about Jesus as according to Luke chapter 5 from verse 27 to verse 32. After Jesus make the man better, him left the town and he see one tax collector named Levi as sit down at the stall where him collect tax. Jesus said to him, "Follow me." And Levi get up, left everything and follow Jesus. Then Levi throw one big dinner for Jesus in a house. And one big crowd of tax collector and other people did a yam with them round the table. But the Pharisee and the law teacher them complain to Jesus, special follower them, say, "What make uno a yam and drink with the tax collector and wrongdoer them?" Jesus answered them and said, "People when are sick, no need no doctor. Only sick people need doctor. Me no come here to tell people where do right to turn from their sin. A people where do wrong, me come here for." A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.